Hey guys, welcome back. I've been thinking about my YouTube channel a lot, and I'm thinking of moving in not another direction, in an additional direction, I suppose. I still want to do makeup and talk about makeup, do tutorials and hauls and all of that, because that's one of the things that I'm really passionate about. But the other thing that I'm really passionate about is books and literature. I don't know when you'll see this, but I did a book haul and I filmed it. I filmed the book haul because books are really exciting for me. I've loved reading for years and years and years, and I want to be able to share that passion more. I want to be able to tell you about the books that I'm reading, the books that I think are good, the books that I think are the worst, and, book hauls and what, I don't know. I'm not really sure exactly what I'm going to do with it, but I want to talk about books more on my channel. Maybe I can help inspire someone else's love of reading. So eventually, in this corner, right now it's just boxes and stuff that doesn't really have a space to be unpacked, but eventually I want to have a comfy chair there and sit in that comfy chair and film and talk about books with you and have hot chocolate and snacks and talk about books. So I guess just expect more literature content from me. One of the things I'm going to do very soon is I'm going to film how to read the Ender's Game series, because I was in my creative writing class and I was talking about how Orson Scott Card, the author of Ender's Game, is doing a signing. Well, it's going to be tomorrow for me, and I'm going to go to it, and I just wanted to tell my classmates about it, and they weren't as pumped as I am. But someone asked me, how do you read the Ender's Game series? There are 15. I have 15 of them. There are two prequel books that I don't have because I'm waiting for the third so I can get it in a box set. Right, because I have one box set and it's going to go next to that box set. So anyway, I'm going to film a video on how to read the Ender's Game series, what's the best way to avoid spoilers, and so you can get a better grasp of the whole universe. Because there's a lot of books, and some of them fit in different places. So yeah, expect that from me. I might do book reviews. I don't know. I just really like to talk about books. So, yeah. Make sure you subscribe to my channel before you go. I don't want you guys to miss out on this. This is just something I'm really excited for. A fun direction that I'm ready to move in. And we'll still have regular makeup content if that's why you're here, which is fine. It's gonna be books and beauty, baby. I'll see you guys next time.